This is the starting point. We are taking it slow. Ooh. And I was expecting it to be more beautiful this time because it's fall. Something sad, guys. Say hi. I totally don't know where this goes. Look at the view. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been long. So today I'm so excited. I'll show you where I am. Watkins Glen State Park. Are you all ready? Let's go. This is the starting point. Now we are here at the Upper Falls Trail. So let's start from here. Look at the fall colors. So we are here at the Jacob's Ladder, which is the upper entrance. So now we are going for the Watkins Glen State Park Trail. So it's almost, I think, 3 miles hike. So we are starting from here. So from here we can start the George Trail and North Trail. We'll take the red line. We'll go all down here, which is almost 1.5, and then we'll come back in the yellow line. So that's a long trail. I don't know how it goes and it's so cold here. So here we are starting. Come down. Such a beautiful sunny day. So this is the George Trail and Jacob's Ladder. We're taking it slow. It's all wet and muddy. Even the old people are walking and enjoying the beautiful locations. You can see it says hanging gardens grow on rock walls over there. So the next stop is Mile Point Bridge. I'll show you the bridge. Our next stop, Frowning Cliff. I think this is the cliff. It's so tall and long. Wow, look at this. It's so pretty. With the sunlight falling and the water falling from top, with the cliffs all around. Wow. If you are planning to come, make sure you have a good outfit and shoes. We made it, guys. This is the Rainbow Falls. All the pictures and videos you see on the internet, this is what it is. Oh, I just realized this is Central Cascade. Look at that. Yeah. Ooh. Like a cave. Small waterfall with nice views. Now you guess. Cutting a canyon. Look at the rim of the gorge above you. 12,000 years ago, Glen Creek flowed up there. The gorge did not exist and this chasm was full of solid rock. Since then, the creek has gradually eroded the canyon. So, we are now at our next stop, that is Glen Cathedral. As you see, this is the view. Not that great, but still, it's good. So as I said, we are taking the Gorge Trail, which is this way. But while returning, we might come from this trail. So let's see. So I have already been here once. I think it's an year ago. That time it was so beautiful and I was expecting it to be more beautiful this time because it's fall. But that's not what I see. I see all the fall colors being gone and all the leaves being falling. But still, it's a beautiful place. Another tunnel-like cave here. There's something sad, guys. You wanna know what? Look there. The trail is closed, so we can't go to our next 3 points, which are down there. So we'll see how. Say hi. Hi. How are you guys liking it here? Yes. Did you walk all the way up, or you're coming from down? So this is just the starting?
Someone wanted a break.
You? Yeah, that's okay. So you're liking it? Have you been to any other fall places? Not yet? You're planning to? Oh, that's nice talking to you. Bye. Have a good day. Now en routing on different trail. I totally don't know where this goes, but I'll take you guys along with me. We have made till Glen Cathedral. We missed Flowers Lane Lookout and Suspension Bridge. we took an en route and now we are at point 1. That is Point Lookout. Okay, I'm out of my breath, but still, look at the view. Now we can see all the fall colors over here. And I'm loving it. We are going to the second one, which we missed before. That is Suspension Bridge. It's just an en route, so our next stop is Suspension Bridge. I'm so happy that we're not missing any point. We just went to the first point and now coming back to the second and third. This is the suspension bridge in Watkins Glen State Park. Wow, it's like I'm the main character in some movies, right? Wow! You guys don't believe what I see! Just look at it! This is the other point that we missed because of the trial close. That is Flowers Lane. Let's take the lane. So now we are heading back to the upper entrance. I think that's a really good trial for today, and I hope you guys like this video. So make sure you subscribe, like, and follow my channel for more such videos. Until then, see you, bye.